Hello everyone, I am here with a new video for CA Foundation students. After doing 12th or doing the study, you might have encountered this thought, अब आगे क्या करें, बीकॉम, बीबीए या सीए। अगर आपके दिमाग में कभी सीए बनने का ख्याल है, हाँ, तो ये वीडियो सिर्फ आपके लिए ही है। Most students call us during this month and asked how to join for CA Foundation and if they should do CA. Well, let me suggested you. हाँ, आप CA बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. Even you are an average student. You don't need to be a topper to do CA. एंड थिंकिंग कि अरे ये बहुत मुश्किल होगा, फीस बहुत होगी एंड ऑल. सो डोंट वरी, ऑल इन्फॉर्मेशन विल बी गिवन इन दिस वीडियो जो आपको हेल्प करेगी टू थिंक कि आपको सीए फाउंडेशन करनी है या नहीं. सो पॉइंट्स विच विल कवर इन दिस वीडियो: इंट्रोडक्शन टू सीए फाउंडेशन, how to register for CA Foundation, CA Foundation registration fee and criteria, documents required for CA registration, syllabus elaboration and how much it relates to the 12th, MTPs, RTPs and revision test papers of ICI. How to study for your foundation and weightage will be covering in the next video. तो सीए फाउंडेशन क्या है? लाइक सीए मीन्स चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट एंड इसको एक प्रोफेशनल डिग्री माना जाता है इंडिया में. बिसाइड्स आफ्टर सीए यू कैन मेक योर ओन कंपनी एंड गेट अ गुड सैलरी जॉब. सीए टोटल 5 ईयर का कोर्स है जिसमें आप फाउंडेशन, आफ्टर अ ईयर इंटर एंड 3 ईयर्स की आर्टिकलशिप के बाद फाइनल कर सकते हो. One time admission will valid till 5 years in case you have any paper exemptions. And आप एक साल में 2 times एग्ज़ाम दे सकते हो. फर्स्ट अराउंड मे एंड सेकेंड इज़ बिटवीन नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. सीए फाउंडेशन में 4 सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं लाइक मैथ्स, अकाउंट्स, लॉ, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ये सब सब्जेक्ट्स आप एक बार कर चुके हो 12th में. यू कैन गो ऑन ICI ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट www.ici.org and we'll see all details. Now the question is how to register for CA Foundation 2020. All the new candidates will have to register for ICI to apply for the CA Foundation 2020. So while following the steps you can get registration easily. First of all, you need to visit the official website ici.org. Now click on the tab Students and then click on Course Registration Form. In the new page, click on the application form for registration to foundation link. Now, if you are a new candidate, then click on the CA registration first time link and for existing student link on the respective link. Once clicked on the new registration link, you will be redirected to a new page. Now enter the essential details such as name, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, nationality, etc. Now click on the button Generate OTP. A CAPTCHA code appears to enter in the box provided on and click on the button Submit. OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on Validate OTP. A confirmation message will appear. Read it and click on the button OK. A user ID and password will be generated. Click the mail sent by the official and make a note of the credentials of future login. Log in to the account using the user ID and password. Then click on the student cycle and then click on apply for foundation. Enter your details such as father's name, mother's name, your address, PIN code, category, etc. Save and proceed to the next step. Upload the scanned images of your passport size photographs, signature and other original documents. Then click on save and proceed to the next step. Once you have successfully uploaded the images, you need to pay the prescribed fees. The payment of fees can be made through online mode. After the successful payment of the fees, the system will automatically generate the application form with the successful transaction message. Save it for future reference. अब क्वेश्चन आता है सीए फाउंडेशन रजिस्ट्रेशन फ़ी एंड क्राइटेरिया. सो कैंडिडेट सीए रजिस्ट्रेशन फ़ीस गिवन बॉक्स में भी चेक कर सकते हैं. सो द टोटल फीस इज़ 9800 फॉर इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स, इन विच सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर स्टूडेंट्स जर्नल and subscription for members journal are optional. Now I am going to discuss about eligibility criteria for CA Foundation 2020. A candidate has to fulfill the eligibility criteria of the CA Foundation course to appear for CA Foundation 2020 exam. Candidates must have passed class 12th examination from a recognized board to be eligible for CA Foundation 2020 एग्ज़ाम. अब स्टूडेंट्स के मन में ये क्वेश्चन आता है कि क्या सीए को कॉमर्स के स्टूडेंट्स ही कर सकते हैं? तो बिल्कुल नहीं. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को कोई भी स्ट्रीम के स्टूडेंट कर सकते हैं. Candidates must have registered for the CA Foundation course with the Board of Studies before the last date of registration or converted to Foundation course with Board of Studies of ICI. Now here I am going to discuss about the various documents which are required for CA Foundation registration 2020. Attested copy of admit card or mark sheet of class 12th issued by the respective board. One recent color photograph. Attested copy of proof of nationality if a student is a foreigner. Attested copy of proof of special category certificates. Attested copy of the 10th mark sheet or admit card of 10th class indicating the name and date of birth. ICI.org link is given below in the description box. Now the main question, that is CA Foundation syllabus for 2020. CA Foundation exam is the gateway to a career in chartered accountancy. Thus, to clear the CA Foundation exam, candidates need to have a thorough knowledge of the CA syllabus and prepare accordingly. So, CA Foundation exam has 4 papers. Every paper carries a maximum of 100 marks and the time duration is 3 hours for each paper. Paper 1 and paper 2 will be of a subjective type and paper 3rd and paper 4th will be of objective type. The objective type of questions will have negative marking for wrong answers, like 1/4 of the marks will be deducted for each wrong answer. Candidate must score a minimum of 40% marks in each paper and a minimum of 50% marks in aggregate of all the papers to pass the CA Foundation exams. CA Foundation exam is an offline exam and conducted twice a year, and the question paper will be either in English language or Hindi language. So there will be 4 subjects, and let's see how much we already had covered it in 12th. The first paper, Principle and Practices of Accounting. In accounting, only third or fourth chapters which are new and you haven't practiced them before. I'll define them in our next video. But remember, we almost covered 70 to 80% and just third or fourth chapters are new. But it doesn't mean you can leave with which we had done in 12th already. So don't leave them. Instead, you can revise them and get good marking. Try to not just score but get a ranking also. The next subject is Mercantile Law and Journal English. इस सब्जेक्ट्स के भी 2 पार्ट्स हैं, लाइक मर्केंटाइल लॉ एंड जर्नल इंग्लिश. मर्केंटाइल लॉ का ऑलमोस्ट बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स आपने पढ़े हुए हैं 12th स्टैंडर्ड में. सो यहाँ हम थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. सो यू शुड नो हाउ टू राइट दैम. रिमेंबर, इट्स नाउ CA एग्ज़ाम्स, नॉट 12th. So use the proper format for law and auditing to get better marks. And for general English, same as in 12th, we had English grammar, in which we do notes, letters, sentences structure, types of sentences, direct, indirect speech, and active passive voice will be covered. Do all RTPs and MTPs will be enough. The third paper, that is business mathematics, logical reasoning and statistics. As the name says, it also has 3 parts: business mathematics, logical reasoning and business statistics. If you had maths in 12th, then it will be bit easy for you, and you can overview MTPs and RTPs. Do some practice. But if you didn't have maths like I didn't too, don't worry, you still can get good marks here. Only math part had 40 marks, so you can do all previous exam of ICI and revise all formulas. Do practice twice or thrice, but don't lose hope. Next is statistics, because it also covers 40 marks. You all had read economics in 12th, so this is gonna be helpful. Most of chapters are similar. You can do practice with MTPs and RTPs and revise them twice, which will be enough. And last but not least, that is logical reasoning. You have a bit of ideas like what it is and all, number series, coding and decoding, and odd man out, direction test, seating arrangements, blood relations and syllogisms are topics you will cover here. Do past exams and that will be enough. Now the last subject, that is paper 4, business economics and business and commercial knowledge. Economics divided into 2 parts: business economics, business and commercial knowledge. You have done the statistics and eco before. Most of the chapters are similar to the 12th syllabus. You can read the same chapters and review RTP, MTP and last year exam papers to practice and revision. That will be enough. So try to use prescribed format and concentrate on your presentation to get better marking. So here I am going to discuss about MTPs, RTPs and revision test paper of ICI. for all MTP and RTPs and last few years exams. You can go on www.icai.org official site, or you can just click down in description box for direct links. They are free resources for practice from. You can also download all PDF format books given on their official website to prepare. Also, we are especially giving a free trial test for each subject, this time for all CA Foundation students. All questions will be analyzed by our CA teachers team, and our 50% syllabus matches with ICAI exams. To prepare and practice, you just have to make a registration on our website, which helps all CA students to clear CA exams. So visit our website, that is www.catestseries.org for getting free registration. All subjects are in PDF format. You can check the link given in description and download the PDF files. Hope you all had clear about your doubts, and अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चनिंग करनी है या डाउट है तो हमारी टीम को कॉल कर सकते हैं नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.